So I found another communications robot that I had out here. I just snapped this one all together. But basically it's a robot hi-fi system. It has a FM radio built in. We don't get a lot of reception out here in the hut and the country. It also has a headphone jack on the back. It comes with a big chrome sword and a DJ microphone. What else? Oh, this would probably help the radio reception. It also comes with an antenna. Being that it's FM, I think that probably would help. So let's take a peek on the back. So maybe the thing that I thought was a headphone jack is actually the antenna jack. Let's see. I put two AA batteries in the robot. So I don't know. I didn't push it in very far. Okay, it works. The back of the head, as you saw when it was turned around, is a TV set. Looks like it's got ET flying over the moon. And everything about this toy is a component stereo and comes apart. For example, the arms, the wrists are on springs, so they're shootable. They would shoot far out. Everything has little compartment doors that you can open and close. And when you put this arm on, you actually have to push in on this center to make that extrude to lock in. So it's supposed to be some sort of component stereo stuff of some sort. I don't know what. Put that there. Maybe put that there. The head. Head, as I recall, was sitting up here. And there's got to be a button pushed to release the arm. But it looks like it's already pushed in. Here we go. So this arm, you can see, had the same thing. You pushed on the center here. There's a little decal to snap the arm in. You can adjust the arms. I'm not really sure what that's supposed to... it's supposed to depict the edges of record albums. So this would be record album storage there. Fire the missile. The fingers are all individually posable, which is interesting. This was made in 1985. I think maybe the arms are on the wrong side. Would that fit better there? Would that fit better there? Maybe. If we don't like it, we'll change it. Like maybe I should just lay this down. So the radio should release. Here was the back side of the radio. That's where I put in the two AA batteries. Let's get rid of those. I'm taking a peek at that jack. It doesn't say antenna, but I mean, what else could it be? Originally I thought maybe a headphone jack, but an FM radio needs an antenna. Put that in there. Next component is like this little midriff section piece. See, everything has little red buttons that you push to release. and everything else, when they push in, lifts up and catches on little red catches. Okay, or stereo component. That's a couple of speakers. And well, here you got the big layout of components. You can open the door. So you got your cassette, your equalizer, some sort of FM tuner, reel-to-reel, a record player. And release that. What do we got over on this side? This side we have another record player, another tuner of some sort, big VU meters, another reel-to-reel, some sort of amp. The feet say, wow, made in Taiwan, but it also has USA, copyright 1985. Very interesting. The feet basically say the same thing. Take a peek at the box. So in the front of the box, oh, Mr. Hi-Fi Robot can be your wonderful music partner, and especially may combat with you side by side against any space invaders. Just snap me up, and I shall be ready to defend the earth with you. With portable FM radio, detachable from the robot set. Rainer, made in Taiwan. Has a handy carrying handle here. So on the back side, shows all the components. On this side, shows the step-by-step instructions of how to snap all the bits together. So there you have it. Robot Hi-Fi System by Rainer, made in Taiwan, 1985.